Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi backends angle and with panels inside. Today we need to call here the zone wise service document list need to create here. First of all, so need to create here the component components. We need to create here. First of all, need to write down here the ngc commands used for the create components. We need to first of all give this here the zone management. Need to give this here the folders names and to define here, and then after need to define here the controllers name components names need to define management, and then after need to give this here service document. Like this, we need to give this here the name document, and also need to like this sets here and to create this like. First of all, need to check this here the models and to define here the zone list, and we need to go the zone list here. We need to call this here. Need to get here the document error and this like this value you need to getting here and paste this. And we need to check also the documents. We need to displaying here this value or the displaying, and now first of all need to copy here the this price list. Need here, so need to copy this here and we need to paste inside the document list also, and this here this value. And now we need to go inside the ts files of the price. Need to go here and we need to select this here the view colors are the seeing this here, so we need to copy these codes and we need to paste this here like this, and we need to check this here, and also need to import here the some components are the importing here the modules got like this, and after on list after service finding here, and now need to give this here the here here and this here also here web service this here. Maybe we need to comment these codes now. Tomorrow we need to create here this API calling for it. Calls here this imports library modules are the here, and also need to define here the web service. We need to copy these here and we need to paste these here and to give this here the API names. We need also here. So we need here the names on service like this give. We need to copy this API here and we need to paste this here API call. Like this, we need to paste this codes here, and wrong place we need to put here. And first of all, we need to create here the zones documents. Models are the develop. We need to forget here now. We need to add here because these are the documents inside not possible to add here. This is not good. That's why I need to create new models. Need to develop the appropriate our response. We need to, first of all, the see here the Node.js API to opens and explain here. Need to needs here the difference value. That's why I need to create difference because I need to inside the gets here the zone documents ID as well as zones ID. Zone related informations had already here defines. That's why I need to create another things are the now we need to create here the ngg class. Give this here models and to set here on document. Like this, we need to create here the model class are the developing seers, and we need to paste this here. First of all, we need to copy these documents, and we need to go inside the zone documents, and we need to paste this here. This value are the pasting here. First of all, we need to give this here the zone dot id. Then after, we need to give this here the service id. Then after, needs here the zone id. Give this here the cell 0 set here. Then after to needs here the string some it's publics we need to give this here the zone name string here and to that here need to define here the documents names and our document to that string we need to pass this here and after our what's like value we need to call this here and to define here and now we need to displaying here the id here also needs here the is the names first and need to modify here JPL with this value are the copy to here here now we need to set the types to give this here the doc like this also need to replace here the doc id here alias defines here like this save and to save this here okay and to restart this server here now this is the done here so also need to here and we need to paste this here this value are the here but here friends it is like this you need to set this here the are the settings here. Now this is the save this here this always and to define this here the some documents. We need to copy here and to find here the types. Here now also need to check this here the another string. Save here that here is since copy this here this value and this inside the get this list. Need to dot array equal response object check against the JPA sides like this here and also need to give the display names are given here. OTS files and this is here no needs here the deletes ones need to remove here JPA to takes here zone names and then service names and all documents array. And after card like this value are the needs and also here the sense columns are the displaying so need to with this value and to see the issue. Now we need to go inside the HTMLs here defining here it is here the personal document sets here no, and after need to this value no. Give this like here the titles and other things removing like this sets here the informations and to here the paste this here save here this value and also set the list Put this here buttons. Put this here and to call here as a here buttons. All these methods. Save this here. Go and write down sections. We need to define here this dot vector zone. Copy this wall here. And to call this here the get list API. Like this, we need to call here and to test this API are working or not. We need to check this here. Now we need to run here and building these projects are the here's. Now these projects are the builds and also need to forget here the routing one. Need to configure here this it to put of all copy paste this here into here documents component list we need to this here save here's this name. Now we need to go inside the document. Need to go inside the is designs. Go HTMLs and select this URLs. Copy here this value, this price. Now need to give this here the document list. Now need to save here and to check this work or not. If any gets any error, need to fix here. Now need to open here. Go zone management and to select this here document list. Here links inside the issue. Check this JS. There gets errors. Need to check here. Dates is not fields unknown columns. Need to get here. So need to remove inside the node.js. These columns are the 6. You check here. Now restore. Again restart. And to get this here the list and identify here gets on the Surat documents and then after at this value need to get this here this value are the gettings but here issue with this here difference to check this query ID as well as when it defines here the dot here. Check here the inspect elements. We need to here. Maybe issue with this here the on status. We need to fix this here. Check here. So if you get inside this value, also need to give this here the blanks. That's need to create here the gets, and also need to give this here the not set here the types. So need to here z like the sets here. So need to identify here the different service like this configures here, and now we need to check here blanks value are the place with if nulls we need to remove here conditions. And here we need to this here turn on capital copy here's and to with this here blank it's blank. So here replacing here's and copy, and we need to go inside the zone list, need to bind with here. So we need to see here this query paste this here. And now need to restart this query, and again so need to check this API. Now this is the fix here, but need to get here the duplicates. Why I don't know why gets here the this value. Need to cross verify. So finds here service. Start this. Get the there. maybe right. Maybe also gets here the deleted value inside the zone list. That's why to declare this check it, check it tables and to select here the database to check here the times to check this here link zone. One is not deleted here. Now we need to restart. Not apply functions is equal to deleted. Set the- And we need to remove here the honey. So need to here this value show it. So need to check this. Like this all check this here. The not identify. Oh, Get the service detail table. This query and maybe issue with need to fix to temporarily fix this issue. Hey, Tirugarai. square. I have find out sometimes watchings, and after need to see this here the issue with this here the price creating here the duplicates. We need to give this here the conditions, but this here this value, and we need to paste this here the value as we need to pass this here the set id dot service id. So we need to give this here, and also need to set here the one and conditions. We need to put this here pd dot service id. Here the forget this condition, that's why I need to creating here the duplicates value in the columns. That's why I need to get here. So now we need to fix this issue with these conditions. I need to apply here the service id, and we need to like this set here, and also need to set this here the not equal to 2 like this set here 2. Save these years, and to run these years again need to check this data, and to already have the paste this query and to get like this results, and and remove here the duplicates value and to get here the single results. Now we need to check this here inside the query. First of all, we need to copy the same query, and we need to paste this with replacing wing. So replace this query, copy here, and we need to go this here the zone list price. Inside we need to check this here the identify with the not identify, check this here 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 this. Now this is the goods now, and good, save this here. Now need to restart here, and we need to check this here the query results. Gets here server internals errors. We need to check this here the errors what is get here. Need to check here the maybe issue with the end of lines. Now again run this, and to restart the screens, close this here, and to get this here the data, as well as need to check this here zone list. We need to check this query, and here working goods, no any issue, and to getting it's the zone list. Maybe we need to remove this here the service names. Zone list. Service name and documents names are going to displaying here the zone related informations. That's why I need to remove, and also need to remove here that the HTML. Scope 3. Save this here, and now need to check this here, and this is the displaying good. This here the zone list are the now need to check again here are the not creating here the duplicate displaying and here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.